Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna take the derivative of these two trig function we have right here. Okay, we start with the first one, and the first one actually is also can be written like this. It is also sine of x to the power 2. Okay, so you can now derivative. I mean, take a derivative like in a chain rule. Okay, so first of all, what we're gonna do here, we're taking a derivative here. We're gonna put a square bracket, for example, to do that, and this will give us, you got first two down, front out, and you take the derivative of sine, it is cosine of x. First of all, it is 1. Okay, times the derivative of sine is cosine. Okay, I mean the derivative is the cosine of x times this derivative to the power. I mean, you're gonna restrict or reduce the power, sine of x to the power of 1 if you want. Okay, and the whole thing will give us 2 cosine of x sine of x. Okay, and that's a derivative of that trig function. Okay, so the second one, we're going to do the same thing. This here is also equal to um, sine 3x to the power 2. Okay, we also use the chain rule here, right here. So this is going to be first of all, we take derivative of the power, so we're going to have 2 times the derivative of what is inside. I mean, it's usually chain rule. The derivative of v here, because we have in uv, is 3, and the derivative of sine, the sine is cosine, and then times v, 3x, and then this function with this power reduced times sine of 3x to the power of 1, or exactly 6 cosine of 3x times sine of 3x. Okay, that's the derivative. And this is here our result. So other examples, 4 sine to the 2 of x, okay, plus 5 cosine to the 2 of x. Okay, we want to find the derivative of that one, so let me do it like this. Okay, so as you can see, we can do a partial derivative and make it separately. Okay, term by term if you want. Okay, and then but in each one there is a chain rule that we're going to use, because you can see we're going to use the chain rule to take a derivative of this one here, and also the chain rule to take the derivative of this one here. But that one we already have it. That's what we have here. So we can say that it is equal to, we got a 4, right? And the derivative of this one here is what we got before, is 2 times 2 cosine of x times sine of x. Okay, plus now, um, first of all, we put 5 and then take the derivative of what? Of cosine to the 2 of x. This is going to be, first of all, the power is coming from out front or something like that. And then we're going to take the derivative of cosine is minus sine of x. Okay. And times cosine with its power reduced, cosine of x. Okay. So this should have been a square bracket. Okay. And then we put them all together. We're going to have here 8 cosine of x times sine of x. And here we're having 10 with a minus 10 sine of x cosine of x. Okay, as you can see, these whole term are the same, so we just need to subtract the coefficient. So that's going to give us sorry, wrong color. That's going to give us minus 2 cosine of x times sine of x. Okay, or you could even say this is, or this is equal to minus sine of 2x. Okay, and this is here our final result. Okay, all right. So another example, we will have sine to the 3 of x times the cosine of x. Okay, in this case here, we definitely going to use the product rule. Okay, it means that we product rule, that means that u times v equals to u prime v plus u v prime. Okay, so that's what we're going to use here. So how we can do that? First of all, we're going to take the derivative of the first one. The first one will be given us. Let's first bring the power down. Out front, it will be 3. Okay, then we take the derivative for the sine. It is cosine of x. And then the function itself times sine to the power 2. We reduce to the power 3 minus 1. X, that's a derivative. Okay. And times this function times v times the cosine of x, plus now the derivative of the cosine is minus sine. Let's put that maybe a bracket, a square bracket, minus sine, derivative of the cosine is minus sine of x. Okay, and times the sine of the bracket was so sorry, it's okay, I need a square bracket there. So let me put it like this, minus derivative of the cosine is minus sine of x, and now times v prime times times v. Okay, and the u, of course, a u is sine to the 3 of x. So the whole thing is going to give me together, I'm having here 3 sine of x, sine to the 2 of x, and I have cosine of 2 here also, times cosine to the 2 of x minus sine to the 4, because I got 1 here, power 1 here, and 3 to the x. Okay, and this is actually our final result. Let me just see if everything's here correct. We got 2 cosine here, cosine to the 2, sine to the 2, and minus sine. Yeah, that's it. And this is our final result. Okay, so thank you for watching again, guys. Until next time, bye bye.